Today I'm going to teach you how to high jump. First of all, I'm going to show you 3 different angles of one jump. Some things you'll need are spikes, either jumping or sprinting. The difference is that sprinting spikes have spikes just at the toe, whereas jumping spikes have spikes at the toe and the heel. You'll need a high jump mat and 2 standards so that you can balance the bar or the rope. If you're just starting out, I suggest that you use the rope because it's a little less intimidating. You also need chalk. Next, you'll need to find your J. Sorry, it was really hard to talk and it was really cold out.
You jump off of, or which foot you jump off for high jump. It's your dominant foot, which is either your left or right, of course. One way you can find out is which leg you jump off of for a layup, same kind of motion. And if you still don't know, you need a friend to gently push you forward, and the first leg you catch your balance with is your dominant leg. I'm right-footed, so I jump off my right foot. Okay. Rope. You want to start in the middle of the mat and rope. Have your hand out on the rope, and take 14 steps in a J. I'm going to run this way, so you might want to back up. So do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this would be my mark. The J would look like this.
Now let's break down the jump. First of all, the jump itself is broken into 3 parts: the approach, or the J, the takeoff, and the flight, where you're actually in the air. You can see him approaching. The next part of the jump is called the takeoff, or the 3-step approach. It is the last and 3 most important steps of your J. For the first of my 3 steps, I make my right foot parallel to the mat, take a step with my left foot, and then jump off my right foot right before the halfway mark on the mat. The last part of the jump is called the flight. It is the part of the jump where you're in the air. You'll want to jump as high as you can, and when you reach the process of going up, drive your knee and lead arm up for more height. When you're at the peak of your jump, arch your back, thrust your hips, and right before your butt goes over the bar, kick your legs up. Before you land, tuck your chin so you don't hurt your neck. You can see him doing his approach, or his J, jumping up, thrusting his lead knee and arm up for extra height, arching his back and thrusting his hips, then kicking his feet right when his butt crosses over the bar, and then tucking his chin before he falls. This drill is called a run-through, and it helps you make sure that your J is right. This one's called a pop-up, and it just again helps you with your J.
Stop it.
This drill is called the circle drill, and what you want is a 7-foot circle from the radius. And what you'll do is you just get up and run it in the direction that you run your J. Since I run my J on the left side, I'll run my circle clockwise.
I know.
Okay, so this drill is called the scissor kick. It's when you run your J and then you jump up at the you jump onto the mats, but you land on your feet, and it looks like this. You catch that? Okay, so this drill is called a back over, and what you do is you just kind of squat, not really all the way down, but you get low with your back to the mat, and then you just pop up. So it looks like this. Okay, so some exercises you can do for high jumping are calf raises, which you just go up on your toe, back down, up, down, up, down. Squats are also a good one. I think you guys know what squats are. Or jump squats where you go up, equal to squat. As you go down to a squat, jump up. Anything that works out your legs will help you with your jump. Let's watch Hunter jump again because his technique is almost perfect.